Good morning, everybody. It's the earnings season. We got Wednesday FOMC, and there's lots of stuff going on. Today, after close, we have Microsoft, we have Google, we have Snap, we have Visa, we have Teladoc. What else we got? Texas Instrument, and then before open on tomorrow, AT&T, Boeing, Coca-Cola, Telray. Too many earnings. So anyhow, market isn't crashing, market isn't flying, market is staying in the range. And as you can see here on the ES daily, it's just up and down. Market is waiting for FOMC. So SPY, not too much fun these days. Um, as you can see here, pre-market right now 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour got a golden cross, but as I said, it's not flying. So it needs SPY needs to break 455.1 to fly up higher. Good morning, Josh. Earliest start, yeah. Um, so yeah, so as you can see here, the ES we got a dark blue bar, and on the daily and the weekly we got dark blue bar, but because it stayed green yesterday, and then we got dark blue bar again, light blue bar on the weekly again, and weekly is still very bullish. NQ opening a little bit green. Pre-market 515 is downward. 30 is curved down, and again is staying in the range. We had a big drop last week, but after that not much. So it's holding up the level of 15,461.98. 4 hour got a golden cross. That's a good sign. So keep an eye on this. If you see 1530 MACD curved up and go higher, maybe we have a FOMC run up. Who knows? The thing is, market priced in 0.25 for FOMC, so they expecting the rate go up 0.25. If it goes 0.5, which very low chance, then it's gonna be catastrophe. If it comes no rate increase, then it's gonna be very positive. If it comes to 0.25 and he says, oh, it's gonna be a pause and maybe no more, so it's all about his tone. We'll see. QQ is still bullish on the weekly, but we have dark blue bars, so you gotta be cautious on techs. We have to see their earnings. Dow Jones opening a little bit red, but let's see if it's this green run up is gonna be over or not. It's been 11 days, so the TNX 1% higher. That's not a good sign. If it goes above 40, I don't think Powell is going to talk good. Pre-market looking higher. So yeah, if this goes to 40 on Wednesday before FOMC, I'm not sure if Powell is going to talk good. His tone is going to be a good. This one, DXY, we are already above 101.37 level. Daily MACD is golden cross, so this one, keep an eye on it. Next level is 101.914. If it goes below 101.37, I can make text rip up. But if you see it getting go higher again, 50 MACD or 5 and 50 MACD golden cross, it can run up higher. Wicks 0.5 higher. We getting a yellow bar on we got a yellow bar on the weekly TTM squeeze, but it's not running up. It's just holding up right now. Needs a major event or something, some catalyst to move this down or up. For now, it's just going up between 1373 and 1479, up and down. SPX, same thing. It's just going between up and down range. I was expecting it last few days to touch down 45, 18, 29, but every time it gets to like 45, 30, 35, it bounces back up and it holds it strong. And same thing at 45, 77.66. It gets close to it, it passes it one time, and then it pulls back. So it just needs to break one of these two levels to have a big move. BTC. BTC, the weekly is downward, is already at 29k. If it goes below 29k, it's not gonna be good. 4 hour, we're getting a yellow bar today. If it gets a golden cross on MACD, it's gonna be interesting. Apple, they increasing. There's rumor that they want to increase the price on the 15. And pre-market right now 5 is downward, 15 is flat, 30 is a little bit curved down, so you just gotta pay attention to the price action at open. Breaks 194, we can go higher level, and if it goes below 193.13, we can go to the lower level. 4 hours curved up, but not golden cross yet. Once the golden cross confirms, maybe it does a pre-earning run up. Amazon, We got a 4 hour gold, 4 hour yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. Again, this one in general is was very weak yesterday, and thank you very much. And 5 is up, 15:30 now clear direction. 4 hour we're getting yellow bar, but it's still not like flying up or jumping up crazy. Need to pass 130 to get interesting, but if it goes below 28.72, then we can go to the lower level. Nvidia, we got 3 points higher, but pre-market right now 515 is downward, 30 is curved down. We're getting a dark blue bar. So two levels to watch is 447.56 and 451.15. If it breaks either one, it can have a bigger move. Breaks 451, higher levels is 456.96 and 466. Goes below 447, then retest of 445, 443, 441.76. If yesterday was interesting, it went to 440 mental level almost, and then it pulled back up. So keep an eye on this one. If it breaks 440, it's not going to be a good sign. 4 hour MACD is curved up. If you get a golden cross there, it's going to be interesting and go maybe have another run up. Baba finally is giving a gap up. Baba is interesting that every time it had a big run during last, I don't know, 1 year, how long, it was usually mostly one day. And the next day was just a little bit up and down and rarely like gapped up. But today it gapping up like 1 point. So not too much, but it's interesting. What you want to watch is 98.83. And another thing about Baba is that Baba yesterday opened weak actually. It went lower. But then as soon as it opens, the first like 30 minutes, it recovered faster than any other name. And it passed the opening high. Once it passes, and then you saw 15:30, you can see here 15 got a golden cross. Then the 30 was already was about to dead cross, but then it diverted up. The 1 hour, 4 hour, the all golden cross went up, and then was just non-stop going up. 93.53, that was a major level. Passed it, boom, went up. And right now it's getting close to 98.83 level. That's a major level. If it passes that one, we're looking at 99.6, 100. Come on. 186 and 102.11. If it gets very crazy, 102.74, 103.75, 104.77. But just keep in mind, pre-market right now, 15:30 is curve down, is dead cross and curve down. On 1 hour, we got dark blue bar. It's still bullish on 4 hour, daily, and weekly. If you'd see 15:30 MACD golden crosses and passes 98.83, then it's gonna boom higher. But if you see it, because a lot of times it opens higher, but then it fades. If you see it going below 97.7 and breaks 96.86, and then it possibly can have some fades. Bidu, same thing. Baba, it's gapping up a little bit, 3 points higher. 152.12, that's a key level to watch. Breaks that one. We're looking at 153, 155, 156.94. Same like Baba and the 15 and 30 right now is downward. So if it does break 150.45 and 149.14, it can fade and go lower. But if 152.12 passes and 15 and 30 MACD golden crosses, it can fly to the higher level. Netflix 4 hour is about can golden cross. Once it confirms the golden cross, there is a possibility that have a run up. 430 is the key to watch. 430 mental level and 430.9 it was the pre-market high. Breaks that one 432.2, 437.76. But again, if it gets sold at open, again 426, 423.21 next support. Pre-market right now 5 and 15 is down, 30 not clear direction, and 1 hour and 4 hours upward. Meta has earning this week and it's gonna be really interesting. Right now, it already came down. I mean, not too much, but some amount of money, some amount of points. So right now it's just going up and down between 295.76 and 292.65. Need to have a big breakout out of this range to have a lower run up. So yesterday the low was 288.7. That was the level that it held and jumped back up. So that's what you want to watch, 288.7. If it breaks that one, we're looking at 284, 282. And then also 299, 297.69 was a higher level. Breaks that one, can have a bigger move up. Pre-market, again, you got to pay attention to the price action. Tesla, 4-hour MACD golden cross after market yesterday. And it was nice run up yesterday, and getting close. It hit 272.93 level. That's a huge level. This 272.93, if you times the 3, is like 800 something, and that was a major level pre-split. It was always whenever it went lower, it came back to it. Whenever it went higher, it came back to it. So it was just like a magnet level. And right now, this 272.93 is a magnet level. It already reached it, and pre-market right now 515 is downward. 30 already got a dead cross, and 1 hour we're getting a dark blue bar. So most likely, I mean, I don't see a sign to drop crazy, but if it fades at open, it's 269.42 and 266.67 can come. But if you see a jump and then the 5 minutes and then follows by the 15 minutes MACD golden crosses, if pre-market high was 274, passes that one, we're looking at 275.33, 279.2, and 283.8. That's the next target. Doubt it goes to 280 this week, but just a possibility. Because the 4 hour is golden cross, so there is a possibility it goes to 280 maybe, and then comes back to 272. Microsoft, no, Toast is working very fine for me, right now at least. Microsoft, it's 3 points higher. Pre-market right now 515 is curved down a little bit because it's slowed down on the speed of the rise up. But what you want to watch is 349.87. If it breaks that one, then we can run up to the higher level. And the earning is today after close, so place your bets. But as always, manage risk. You never know if what's gonna fly up or what's gonna go down. Be ready for unexpected. Play what you can afford. So anyhow, daily MACD is about to dead cross on Microsoft, but it has earning today, so we'll see what it does. It can't give a long-term picture right now. It's all about price action. If you see 15 and 5 MACD golden cross past 349.87, maybe it does a pre-earning run up and goes up crazy. If it goes below 344.71, then maybe it gets a sell-off and go to the lower levels. Google earning after close, and this one tried many times to go higher, but it couldn't, and it failed many times. It got sold. So I'm optimistic on it. It's my feeling, but most of the time I'm wrong on the earning. We'll see. Pre-market right now 515 is downward, 30 downward. 1 hour is about to dead cross. Two key level to watch. Not clear picture what's gonna happen. 121.41 and 122.51 breaks. Either one can have a bigger move. AMD weekly MACD dead cross. Daily is downward. 4 hour we're getting a golden cross, so getting supported at 110 for now. Needs to pass 112.21 for run up higher, but for now supports are 110.67, 109.13, and 108.18. Pre-market 515 is downward. 30 is about to dead cross. If this one confirms, can go to the lower level. Boeing earning tomorrow after close, tomorrow before open. It was nice running up yesterday, and I honestly expected to have a pre-earning run up today maybe. But right now, it was jumping up, but this morning, I'm not sure if I missed any news or something. Right now, it's pulling back to 214.61. If it can't hold it, we're looking at 211.95 pre-market. 515.30 is downward, so not good. It's not a good sign. We'll see how it opens. If it passes 216.65, then it can go for a run up to 218.9 and 223. Boeing has been lagging behind a lot, and travel has been hot, so there is some optimism about Boeing has a good earning. We'll see. SPY again, as I said, 455.1 is a key level, and right now made it 55.2. That's another one you want to watch. But right now it's pulling back 5:15:30. 1 hour is downward. 4 hour got a golden cross, but now it's dead crossing again, so it's inside the range. Needs to break it until it gives a clear picture. If it drops again today at open, 453.46, 452.44, 451.18. But since we are inside the range, not expecting to go crazy down, it could bounce off any of these levels. So watch it, and when you see a 5 minutes MACD golden cross follows by 15 and 30, then it can run up again. So mostly it's gonna be a yo-yo day again. QQQ, same thing. Pre-market 515 is down, 30 is down, that crossing, and if it goes lower again, 375.1 can get supported there. Maybe goes a little bit lower, but can come back to it. 4 hour MACD golden cross, but it's establishing a range. Market is waiting for the earnings. What else? IWM between 193.97 and 196.97 is just going up and down. Need to break it either one to have a bigger move. What else we got here? LRCX need to pass yesterday high, which was 642.59 for run up higher. Passes 643 and 643.83. We're looking at 648.44 and 661.77. I like it at the 4 hour MACD golden cross. Walmart made a new all-time high, I think. I'm not sure if it all-time high is 160. Let me just double check that. All-time high is 160.77. So yeah, made an all-time high, 160.77. That's an all-time high. If it opens above it, if it can open right now, pre-market 515.30 is downward, but pre-market made a new all-time high. But if it passes it at open, key level to watch is 160.96. Passes that one, we're looking at 163.4. It's pulling back a little bit pre-market. Next key level to watch is 355.55. Breaks that one, we can go to the higher level. Disney week. What else you got here? That's almost it. If there's any symbol, let me know. You want me to look. The cost is going non-stop higher every day. That's an interesting name to watch these days too. That's pretty much it. Let me see. There was another name. 3M had an earning. Triple M had an earning too. 108.51. That's a key level to watch. If it breaks it, we can go to 112.28. DDOG got an upgrade, 4 points higher. If it breaks 116, we're looking at 121.07 next target. TSM 4 hour got a golden cross, but nothing exciting there. ORCL got a 4 hour MACD golden cross. If it jumps up higher, 121.59 is the next target. AVGO 4 hours about to golden cross. Yep, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you like trade option service, you can join in. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I need more subscriber, and I have chartwizard.com for levels. And again, there's so many earnings coming in, and FOMC tomorrow, big day. All right, take care and have a beautiful day.